going on, guys? Behind me is my 1970 Jeep CJ5 Wrangler that I picked up from my brother-in-law for $1,000 and I'm finally ready to work on it. It's been sitting here, sitting away in the weeds, rusting, collecting rust for quite some time now, but I'm finally ready to start working on this project, so let's get on it. Okay, so this thing was running when I parked it. We had to jump it off to get it started because when it was my brother-in-law's, he had it for several years just sitting. And it's been sitting in my possession for probably a year. So I'm hoping it fires up. The gas is probably bad in it, but I'm gonna hook my jump pack to it, see if I can get it to crank. All right, let's see what she does. I got nothing. Let me try grounding it somewhere else. There's a big ground strap down there. Nothing. Huh. Hooked on the starter, grounded to the frame. Are we actually on the starter? Are we on something else? Let's double check. Well, it's putting a load on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but nothing's happening. It's not even trying to crank. Let's see, what is this? I have no idea what this is for. Well, let's just hook this up and see what happens. You could tell things were definitely jury-rigged up in here, to say the least. Still nothing. Okay. Well, let me try it directly on the battery. I doubt the battery's got to suck most of the juice out of the jump pack. Well, let's try it. Nope, that battery's too dead. At least had some life going the other way. Let's just double, triple check. Going straight to the starter. Okay, I'm hooked on the starter. There's a ground strap down here. Going to hook into that. I'm putting out 11 volts. It's probably not enough to crank it. Nothing. I'm pretty sure I have this thing set up to where it'll just function as a battery rather than a jump pack. Yeah, because if we just turn it on regularly, we'll get a caution light. If we turn it on and press this, it will work as a battery, which is what I've been doing. Nothing. Well, I didn't think that would work, but I tried. So I'll pull my tractor up here and get some cables on this. Try that. Not very good. See if I can show you guys. Super weak. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like we got a weak starter to me. That's all we're getting out of the starter. That's horrible. Just clicking. Well, if we can't get it moved under its own power, we're going to tow it out. And I'm literally just going between these two shipping containers. I've got my little makeshift shop, if you want to call it that. Let's see if we can get it turned without getting out. Oh no. She don't want to turn. Alright, let me get out and cut the wheel. Alright, let's see if we can push this in the hole without screwing up the rear end. Alright guys, so we got this Jeep moved over to where we can actually start working on it. So stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be putting out some more content on this thing. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.